Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. So, I am back with another video. What are we talking about today? So, we're going to talk about some new products that I found on Instagram. So, if you guys want to know all about these products, stay tuned. Okay, this week we're going to talk about the Goldwell Dual Senses Curly Twist line. I picked up 4 pieces from the line, but they're different from what's showing on their website. I'm going to have links to everything below from Amazon, and I'll also have a link to Goldwell's actual website too. So the first thing I picked up was the hydrating shampoo, and it says it's for elasticity for curly hair. It has color protection, and this is a 250 milliliter bottle. The next thing I have is a hydrating shampoo, and this is a 300 ml bottle or 10.1 fluid ounce. And the last 2 things are the stylers that I picked up, which was the Curl Control, which is a 3.3 fluid ounce or 100 ml bottle, and the hydrating curl gel, which is also a 100 ml bottle. That's these 2. It says 2 and 3 on there. I don't know. I'm going to figure it all out. So, when you go to Goldwell's website, the Dual Senses Curly Twist page, it says specifically hydrates and defines for weightless bounce and elasticity for naturally wavy, curly, and permed hair. Now, it has the hydrating shampoo, and the claims on the website: instantly hydrates and defines for weightless bounce and elasticity, as gentle as water, and the unique fade stop formula minimizes color fading for every use. Products for in salon and at home. For the hydrating conditioner, the claims for it is instantly hydrates and defines, detangles, and provides elasticity. Products for salon and at home. And then there's 2 more products that I didn't pick up that were also on Amazon, and they're showing here on the Goldwell site, which is the hydrating serum spray and the intensive conditioning serum. Now, I did not pick up those 2 on Amazon because I thought it would just be a little bit much to grab, to have 6 pieces opposed to the 4 that I have. I just really wanted a shampoo, conditioner, and styler, and I found the 2 stylers on Amazon, but if you go on the website, these 2 stylers are not shown. So that is a mystery to me. Hopefully I will find out, and I will put it all below once I find out. So I don't know why they don't have all this stuff here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the iPad, and let's get on with how I feel about these products. Okay, so basically, I wash my hair like I normally do. First wash was with the Curl Day, Wash Day Delight from Carol's Daughter. I did that first so I can get any product buildup off. Also, to make sure my scalp was nice and clean to get ready for the hydrating shampoo. And with that, I followed up with the conditioner. My deep conditioners, I used which ones did I use for deep conditioner? Mael Organics was Mael. I think I used the Mael the second week. In the first week, I used Shea Moisture, which was the low porosity or high porosity. Y'all know I get this confused every time. It's going to be on the bottom of what I use for deep conditioners. And then I used the 2 stylers. So, my thoughts on this product. Okay. It is in my hair right now. This is technically, what is this? Let's see, I did my hair Wednesday, today's Saturday. So this is day 3 hair. And to be brutally honest with you, you can get 1 day out of this product. You cannot get maybe 2 days. It's a possible 2 days. But you really cannot get more than a day out of it. The shampoo and conditioner were okay. They were not my favorites. I will say I did not have a lot of shed hair. And I mean, possibly that could be from me going back to my regularly scheduled programming of washing my hair 2 to 3 times a week. So it's very possible that's what it is. We'll see. I don't know. But the shampoo and conditioner were not very good. I was not a huge fan of it. I could have used any shampoo and conditioner. The stylers. This is empty. I'm going to tell y'all right now. I emptied this out on Wednesday. A 3.3 fluid ounce bottle of a gel does not work. I'm trying to figure out how it works on a wavy or a loose curl. You're putting one pump in at a time. As you all know, I put my hair in 4 sections. And to be honest with you, this was lackluster. It was very lackluster. The moisturizing curl cream, I can't even talk, was okay. I mean, my hair does feel somewhat moisturized, but I'm going to tell you, day 1, day 2, you don't feel the moisture until day 3, which is today. And I'm washing my hair tomorrow. I did not feel a whole lot of moisture from that. My hair didn't feel very moisturized with any of these products. So it was a bust, I'm going to admit. Thank goodness everything did not cost me very much on Amazon. But let's see. The shampoo and conditioner were shipped together. One of the stylers came from England, which came from overseas. I think it was England. I'm not for sure. But it was really weird how it shipped. And one of them shipped opened, I believe. It was open. And I wasn't very thrilled with it. I think this is more for a looser curl. I'm going to admit to that. I don't think it's for a tighter curl. My hair did not respond to it. So I think it is possible it is for someone that has a looser curl pattern. Or, I'm just going to say more of a looser curl pattern, more of a wave, more of a curl, not more of a coil. With coily hair, you need more moisture. This did not give me as much moisture as I absolutely needed. For the oil, I used the melanin multi-use. I think it's a multi-purpose oil, I believe. The dry oil, that's what it's called. I used that as my oil also. I forgot to say that. But to be honest with you, this product, I could have kept my money. And that's really sad because Goldwell is a salon product that's been around for, I believe, a pretty long time. And this, I don't know if this is their first foray into curly hair, but they may want to think about doing something for the tighter curl girls. I mean, we out here, we spending money. We like to get some nice some salon style products too, We like to, do that. So if you guys are watching or a representative is watching, think about doing something that gives more moisture, something for the tighter curls. We like that. We like that. We like that. We would like to have that. And also stylers that are bigger than 3 ounces. This was bad. I mean, the funny thing is I have a good amount of this left because I didn't have to use that much of this product. But a gel, you're going to need more gel because you want to coat every strand and you want to get every strand. You want the definition to be seen in every strand. And you want your clumpage. That didn't give me that. I mean, I have the pictures. You saw the pictures. I wasn't very fond of this situation. Okay, I'm gonna ask the question: would I buy these products again? No, I would not. It's a hard no on this one. The shampoo and conditioner were okay. I could probably use them again with other products that I just have the stylers for. I would probably use the shampoo and conditioner for that. Which because really a shampoo and conditioner are okay. Your deep conditioner is what you need to really kick it into high gear for you, but it would be nice to have a washout conditioner that helps. And this conditioner is okay at best. It's not the best. The stylers 3.3 fluid ounces is not enough for anybody. I don't care who you're talking to. It is not enough. Even the looser curl girls need more than 3.3 fluid ounce. I mean, did you make it smaller so you buy more? I don't think that's a good idea. Because first use, if I don't like it, I'm not going to buy it. Would I recommend it? No, I wouldn't. I just really wish I really wish this formula gave a little bit more moisture on first and second day. I mean, right now my hair feels somewhat moisturized, but it's not the way my hair has been more moisturized with other products. And also when I touch it, my hair, there's like a film that I'm feeling product film on my hair. So to me, I don't even think that's really the moisture. I think that's more of a film. Also, I don't know if you can see on my hand, there's some flakes from the product. So the product does flake. That's another reason why I'm going to say no. I don't even know if you can see up front. I may have some little bits of residue in my hair. It's like I said, it's unfortunately, I mean, maybe this product is for 1 day use only. You wash your hair and you reapply. Maybe, I don't know, but it's a no for me. I just couldn't buy this again. And that is it for this video. That is all. I hate doing these type of reviews. I really do. Y'all know I don't like it. And I say that every time I have a harsh review or a bad review for something. I really don't like, because it's not just that I don't like it. It's also kind of a waste of my money that when a product doesn't work. So, I mean, good thing is there's someone with a looser curl pattern in the home that I could just pass it off to, and it may work for him. Unfortunately, he cannot use the gel because the gel is empty. I emptied the gel out on this front part, and because I was using like 3 to 4 pumps per section, and I was right in this front part, and I got 2 pumps out, and that was it. So this actually is going to be thrown away. The rest of this I'm probably just going to pass off to Reginald so he can use it. So that's really it. I'm going to get out of here because it's time for bed. It's late, as you guys can probably see by the lighting. It is late. It is 9:08. It is past my bedtime. So I need to get all of this off my face. I need to take a shower, get some sleep. So let me get out of here. If you guys have any questions, please talk to me below. And if you guys like videos like this, I just realized I have not been saying that in the past few videos. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or is it like and subscribe? Is it like and subscribe? I can't remember. Liking and subscribing are free. And don't forget to talk to me below if you have any questions. All the links to the products from Amazon will be below. Goldwell's link is also going to be below. And I have videos for you guys to watch. And I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, it is past my bedtime. So I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.